Today we're going to be looking at the sound k and the sound k, but this is how we're going to see it as a team. CK making the sound k. When CK are together, they make the k sound, and they are always found together at the end of a word. Never at the beginning together like that. And when they are, it usually has a short vowel in front of them. Are you ready? All right, let's make some words. Okay, looking at our first word, we know that it has 3 sounds. It has b, it has a. We know this says a because it is a closed syllable. There's something behind the a, so it has to say its short sound a, and then the sound k. So we have 3 sounds, b, a, k. Now let's blend them. Ready? Tap and stretch. Back. Let's do that again. Ready? Back. Let's say it fast. Back. Say it fast. Back. Good. I like to have my back scratched. Don't you? All right, let's do another word. Again, we can see this has 3 sounds. This sound, and this digraph has 1 sound. We know that our vowel is closed because there's consonants behind it, so it has to say its short sound ah. And now that we know our vowel sound, we can sound out our word. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Dock. Good. Try again. Dock. Say it fast. Dock. Say it fast. Dock. Yes, dock. We have a dock behind the house so that we can go fishing or get on our boat. Good job. Let's try another one. Okay, we have our new word here. We see that we have our vowel A. We know that U is not going to make a vowel sound. The U is accompanying the Q. So this is a little grouping here. This is a blend of QU, qua, qua. It is not making a U sound here. And then we have our vowel that makes its short sound because it's a closed syllable here, right? We have the door is closed. It has to say its short sound, which is a. So let's sound out our word together. Are you ready? Quack. All right, let's do that again. Quack. Okay, let's say it fast. Quack. Say it fast. Quack. Yeah. Ducks like to quack all the time. Quack. Good job. Let's make another word. This word has how many sounds in it? 1, 2, 3, 4. BR is a blend. They each say their own sound. I is our vowel. And then we have the CK at the end, the digraph. Okay, because this is a closed syllable, that means there are consonants behind the I. That tells us that letter I says I. So now that we know our vowel sound, we can read our word. Are you ready? Let's go. Brick. Do it again. Brick. Say it fast. Brick. Brick. Yeah. We have a brick pathway in our backyard. Good job. Wow, look at this big long word. How many sounds? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is one sound, so 5 sounds. Our vowel in the word is this U right here. And it's a closed syllable because there are letters behind it, so our U says Now that we know our vowel sound, we can sound out our word. Are you ready? Tap and stretch. Struck. Good. Sound it out again. Struck. Say it fast. Struck. Say it fast again. Struck. I struck the nail with a hammer, or I hit the nail with a hammer. Struck is the same as hit, right? Good. Let's do another one. Okay, how many sounds does this word have? 1, 2, 3. This word has 3 sounds, and our vowel is A. It is a closed syllable, meaning there are consonants behind it, so our A has to say its short sound, A. Now that we know what sound our vowel makes, we can read our word. Are you ready? Whack. Good. Do that again. Whack. Say it fast. Whack. Say it fast. Whack. Yeah. Whack. Probably another word for hit, just like struck, whack, or hit. I whacked the fence with the ball, or I hit the fence with the ball, right? Whack. Good job studying CK as